In the quest for efficient project management, teams of all sizes often look to powerful software solutions to streamline their workflows. ClickUp has emerged as a major player in this space, offering a vast array of features designed to cater to diverse project needs. A frequently asked question, especially by individuals and small teams, is a fundamental one. How long can I use ClickUp for free? As a project management expert, I can tell you that ClickUp offers a free forever plan, which means you can use it indefinitely without paying. This isn't a temporary trial that expires after 7, 14, or 30 days. It's a genuine free tier designed to provide value to users who might be just starting out, managing personal tasks, or operating a very small project with basic requirements. However, the free forever aspect comes with specific limitations that are important to understand. While you can use it for an unlimited duration, the features and capacities are capped. This strategic approach by ClickUp allows users to experience the platform's core functionalities and user interface, demonstrating its value before they might need to upgrade to a paid plan for more advanced capabilities or increased scale. Let's dive into the specifics of what the ClickUp Free Forever Plan offers and its key limitations. What the ClickUp Free Forever Plan offers. The Free Forever Plan is surprisingly generous for a free tier, especially for individual users or very small teams. Here are some of the standout features it includes. Unlimited tasks. This is a major selling point. You can create as many tasks as you need, which is fundamental for any project or task management. Unlimited members. You can invite an unlimited number of users to your free forever workspace. This is quite rare for free tiers of project management software and makes it highly attractive for collaborative small teams. Collaborative docs. You get access to ClickUp Docs, which are powerful, collaborative documents where your team can create meeting notes, project briefs, knowledge bases, and more. Basic views. Essential views like list, board, Kanban, and calendar views are available. These are crucial for visualizing tasks in different ways and are sufficient for many basic project management needs. Whiteboards. You get a limited number of whiteboards, typically 3, which are excellent for brainstorming, mind mapping, and visual collaboration. Time tracking. Basic time tracking functionality is available, allowing you to log time spent on tasks. In-app video recording. ClickUp Clips. This feature allows you to record your screen and webcam directly within ClickUp, which is great for quick tutorials, feedback, or sharing ideas. 24/7 support. Even on the free plan, ClickUp provides access to their customer support, which is a valuable safety net. Two-factor authentication. 2FA enhanced security for your workspace. Sprint management. Basic sprint management tools are available for agile teams. Key limitations of the Free Forever Plan. While feature-rich, the Free Forever Plan has specific caps that will eventually prompt growing teams or complex projects to consider an upgrade. These limitations are designed to encourage users to move to a paid plan when their needs outgrow the basic offering. Limited storage, 100 megabytes. This is often the first significant hurdle. The 100 megabyte storage limit applies to attachments and in-app video recordings. ClickUp Clips. For projects with many documents, images, or video files, this limit can be reached quickly. A common workaround is to link to files stored in external cloud storage, like Google Drive or Dropbox, rather than uploading them directly to ClickUp. Limited custom field uses, e.g., 60 to 100 uses. Custom fields are incredibly powerful for tailoring ClickUp to your specific workflows and tracking unique data points. The Free Forever Plan has a total use limit for custom fields, e.g., 60 or 100 uses. This doesn't mean you can only create that many custom fields, but that each time you use a custom field, e.g., adding a value to a custom field on a task, it counts as a use. This limit can be hit surprisingly quickly in active projects. Once you hit this limit, you won't be able to edit existing custom fields or add new data to them, though existing data will remain visible. Limited spaces. 5 spaces. Spaces are the highest level of organization in ClickUp, below the workspace. The Free Forever Plan limits you to 5 spaces. For larger organizations or those managing many distinct projects, this can be quite restrictive. Limited automations, e.g., 100 actions/month automations are a cornerstone of efficiency in ClickUp, allowing you to automate repetitive tasks. The free plan offers a limited number of automation actions per month, e.g., 100. For simple workflows, this might be enough, but for complex processes, you'll quickly hit this cap. Limited views and features within views. While you get basic list, board, and calendar views, more advanced views like Gantt charts, workload view, mind maps, and certain dashboard widgets are either unavailable or have very limited uses on the free forever plan. For example, some sources indicate a limited number of uses for Gantt, timeline, and workload views, e.g., 60 to 100 uses in total. Limited chat history, e.g., 30 days or 1,000 messages while real-time chat is available. The history might be limited, meaning older messages could disappear. No guest permissions. On the free forever plan, guests have full create and edit permissions, and you cannot modify these permissions. Paid plans offer more granular control over guest access. No Google SSO, single sign-on for larger teams. SSO provides a more secure and convenient login experience. This is a feature of paid plans. How long can you effectively use it for free? You can use ClickUp's free forever plan for an unlimited duration, provided your needs remain within its limitations. For personal use, if you're managing your own tasks, personal projects, or small hobbies, the free forever plan is likely all you'll ever need. It provides ample functionality for individual productivity. For very small teams/startups, if you're a team of 1 to 3 people with relatively simple projects and minimal file storage needs, you can leverage the free forever plan for a significant period. It's an excellent way to get started, onboard your team, and build initial workflows without upfront cost. For learning and evaluation, it's perfect for individuals or teams who want to thoroughly explore ClickUp's interface, test its core features, and determine if it's the right fit before investing in a paid subscription. However, once your team grows, your projects become more complex, your need for automation increases, or your storage requirements expand beyond 100 megabytes, you will likely find yourself hitting the limitations. At that point, the cost-benefit analysis of upgrading to an unlimited, business, or enterprise plan will become evident. The free plan acts as an extensive demo, showcasing ClickUp's capabilities and ease of use, making the decision to upgrade a logical next step when the time is right.